guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a spring decorate with me / home update. We're going to be switching some things around, of course, in our home, but I also purchased a bunch of spring decor that I want to set up, and I think it's going to look really cute. The weather is starting to get warmer here, which is very exciting, so it just put me in a mood to like refresh our home, add some new spring decor in there, and just make it feel fresh and spring vibes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to see how we decorate for spring, how we update our home, I got a bunch of new decor in the mail, lots and lots of updates to get to. So yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so if you've been following for a while, I need you to cross your fingers. I need you to cross all the fingers that you can, cross your toes, because we got something in the mail that may or may not be broken. I don't want any more broken glass on the channel, but we might have something over here that it says fragile in the biggest letters humanly possible. So we'll see if FedEx read clearly and they were fragile with this. I'm really excited. This mirror is gonna go into the glam room. We're redoing the glam room a little bit, so fingers crossed.
Wow!
Moment of truth. Wow, perfect condition. You guys, I am happy to announce that it is not broken. No broken glass on the channel, praise God. So at first I was a little bit concerned because the rim looks really orange and copper, but I think it's still gonna look good. We're gonna try it out in the glam room. Rob's gonna take this big hefty mirror up the steps.
I got it.
He's gonna lug it around on his back. Should we strap it to you? Or?
You gonna treat me like a family van?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do it.
So here we go. Up the stairs she goes.
All right, come on.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go now? Nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.
Okay, you guys, so we are up in the glam room and I wanted to update you really quickly on some things that are new. I showed you in... Rob, I'm filming. Anyway, okay, so I showed you all in the last Amazon video or one of the previous ones of this clothing rack, and it's still here, still loving her, but the mirror. So we unboxed the Amazon mirror and put it in my closet, and this is the mirror that was in the closet we took out and put here, and I think this looks really nice. I love this. We also have some new curtains. Oh, this lighting. These curtains are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I think they look really nice. I just wanted to like update this space a little bit. I felt like the white curtains were a bit too bright and white. Like it just didn't feel like cozy enough for me. So I wanted to add some depth. And then if you come in the closet, this is the new Amazon mirror. I think it looks awesome. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this before, but I think it looks really, really nice in here. I feel like this is a better size than the other one because it is so much thinner. Like you guys, it is very, very thin. And now I'm able to fully open this drawer. Whereas before it was kind of sticking out and I wasn't able to do that. So we switched some mirrors around, updated the glam room a little bit, and I like this so much better. Okay, so now I wanted to show you what the rest of the space in the house is looking like since we added some spring decor. I added this baby's breath in this vase and I think it looks really, really nice in the dining room. These candles are always crooked. They have like this like unique shape to them. So maybe I can get away with them being a little crooked. I don't know. But yeah, in here we just added some new florals to the vase. I still kept these ones back here. Technically these are like winter, I guess like stems with little winter berries, but to me, you can't tell. Like, I feel like this just looks very spring and in with this season. So yeah, I just left them in there. I thought it added like some depth in there and I think it looks really, really nice. And then if you come over here in the living room, I pretty much kept everything the same except the pillows. Fluff these up a little bit. Okay, so yeah, I just added these pillows. I thought they were just like brighter and kind of just like refresh the space a little bit. It's just a really easy way to like update your couch, is just like switching up the pillows. I swear it makes such a huge difference. So yeah, this is what the couch is looking like. And I also switched out the blanket. We don't really cuddle up under this blanket, but since it is like a part of the couch and it's like decorated, I wanted to add a different one over here. Again, just to brighten up the couch. It's spring, we want everything fresh and bright. And I also added these florals over here. I love these. I think they look really, really real. They look real to me and I really, really like them. I'm kind of thinking maybe the vase is like a little bit small for all of these flowers, so maybe I'll take like a few out, but I still think it looks really nice. Tulips are perfect for this time of year, so I had to add them. And then over here in the sunroom, I switched a couple of things out. So I just got this new vase. I literally just shared it on Instagram. She's pretty pricey, but I love it. I think it's really, really pretty. It's basically like this potted, it's a pot. It's like a pottery, like organic, kind of like a vintage looking pot. I plan on putting like hydrangeas in this. I think that would be really, really pretty. I saw on, I think it was either Instagram or TikTok, someone put like a glass vase filled with water inside one of their larger pots. And in the vase with the water, they put actual live flowers. So I would be able to have like real flowers in this pot without them dying and having like actual water in there without damaging our vase here. So really, really like this. And then I also switched up the pillows on this couch in here. I love these. It's kind of like a boucle material, but they're gray. I think it really complements these pillows, but it's also just like very soft. It's kind of like a brighter gray, I guess. It's not too like dark, perfect for spring. Just really, really like how this is looking. And then if you come over here to our kitchen, I added these artichokes in here. These are actually fake, but I think these are really, really cool. I know it's very, you know, common to add like lemons or oranges or even like fake like fruit in a bowl. But I don't know, something about the artichoke. I just thought it was really cool and different and appropriate for the kitchen. It's just a way to kind of refresh the kitchen. If you usually around different seasons add like pine cones for the fall or even like a decorative like ornaments in a bowl for like the Christmas season, I think this is just like an easy way to switch that out. You could even do this as like a centerpiece on like a dining room table. I think would be really pretty. I don't know if this is going to be the permanent place, but for now this is where we have it. And then I also got these beautiful, I think they're peonies. Are they peonies or roses? I don't really know, but I got these from TJ Maxx. I just added them to the tray that I have here in the kitchen. And yeah, I think it's like really, really cute. It's kind of like a pop of color, okay? If you're waiting for pop of color, here's the pop of color. And yeah, I think it's just really, really cute. Okay, and then this is what the office is giving over here. Absolutely love this floral arrangement in this vase. I think it's very bright. It's spring, it's very refreshing. It's appropriate with like the spring florals. Florals for spring, groundbreaking. But I don't know, I just really think that this area, like there's something about the tone of those flowers and the tone of the lamp down here and the candle, like they're just all speaking together tonally, and I really, really like how this is looking. The vibes are there. Okay, you guys, and then coming into our bedroom, oh my gosh, the lighting. First of all, we just got our house cleaned. Like we had our cleaners come over, and it just hits every time. It's just like amazing. So I switched up the bedding. Normally I have all white sheets, all white everything, but I'm doing a sponsorship with Bowl and Branch, and you guys, I love how these colors complement one another, but also complement our bed. I just think the gray looks amazing. I love how you have some depth with like the darker blanket here, darker gray going with the throw pillows, and then lighter gray with the sheets. Like, I don't know, everything just looks so good over here. And I definitely wanted to refresh the bed, so the sponsorship came at the perfect time. They're not sponsoring this video, but on Instagram, if you saw my stories, those were sponsored. But I love Bowl and Branch. You all know this. Those are the only sheets I really sleep on. So to get another set, I was really excited. Like, look at the stitching. I think it's just so pretty, so well made. This waffle blanket is also Bowl and Branch, but I will link everything, well, as much as I can down below. Just wanted to show you a little spring revamp, and I love it.